Hey y'all, what's up? My name is Tony and I'm the co-founder of the HYA Company. In today's video, I will be talking about all of the changes that are coming to our website, to the business, to social media platforms, even with the products. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. First of all, I just like to say Happy New Year to everybody. I pray that y'all wrote y'all goals down. I pray that this year goes well for everyone. And another thing is, I just like to say really quick, the person who won the $50 giveaway for 500 subscribers still hasn't got back to me. I know I did that a while back, so I'll put her name up on the screen. I'll just give her a week more and then I'll choose somebody else. So yes, that's all I wanted to say in terms of like announcements or whatever. So let's get straight into the video. Okay y'all, so the biggest thing that we're doing this year for the HYA Company is rebranding. So what sparked this, I'm not sure if y'all seen our website the beginning of the year, like when I first launched, you seen like the website background color. It was more so like a video type. I'll put it up on the screen what it looked like. And then I'm not sure when I did it, it had to be either the ending of September, like early October. I changed it to what it is right now. And when I changed it in late September, early October, it made me think like, bro, I really want to rebrand everything. Like my style has definitely changed. I seen how our logo is working, like I seen how our logo is looking on products, how it's working or not working for different stuff that I was trying to do. And so it just made me want to rebrand. And then I started watching all of these rebranding reels or even logo creation, the reels on Instagram. And I was just like, bro, I really want to do this. Like I want to pay somebody to do it. So I looked up this one girl. She was booked out until this year. So I was just like, forget it. So I just started doing the logo on my own to go with the vibe that I'm trying to go with. And it just took off from there. So I've recently been watching a whole bunch of videos. I get into like the nitty-gritty in another video, but basically so that's one thing that made me want to rebrand. And another thing was that the logo, to me, like one day I looked at it and I was like, this looks childish. And it really could have worked in the sense, well, it's been working, but it really could have, like, the only thing I would have changed is the lines on the flower being smaller. So that really could have, lasted a little longer if that was a thing. And if you don't know, when I first got the logo made, I didn't do it myself. So I can't just go in and thin out the lines. I paid somebody to do it on Fiverr. And yeah, either way, I'm going for a whole different brand, and I could do it myself on Canva because obviously I've already done it. So yeah, we're rebranding the logo. I want to pick like set colors because I feel like I was just doing too many colors. So I want to pick set colors for the website, for thank you cards and like how to care cards and packaging. I want the packaging to be like one box. So how my thought process for this was like, when you see like red and green together, it's Gucci. When you see the different shades of browns, it's Louis Vuitton and like stuff like that. So that's the kind of vibe I was going for, trying to get a colorway that we could be known by. So I basically want the logo to be more sleek, and I definitely want to create an aesthetic. So Opal House. If you don't know what Opal House is, it's a brand within Target, and then Threshold is Target's brand. So when you see those two brands, or even Studio McGee, so we'll do Opal House and Studio McGee. When you see Opal House, it'll be funky colors, like loud colors. It's a colorful brand with the bedding, with the everything that they offer. Even when it came down to Christmas, they had like these yarn, I'll see if I can find them. I'll put it up on the screen. So they had like some red, blue, yellow yarn trees, and then when it came to Studio McGee, they had like some woven natural colored trees. So you'll know the brand style and aesthetic based off of the products that they present to their customers. So that's what I'm trying to push with like our whole rebranding. Like we're even changing, I'll do a whole other video on this. Like we're changing almost everything with the brand, as well as like our mission statement, what we stand for, what we want within the brand, and what our brand is even created for. Okay, so that's just all about the HYA Company, the brand, and the website. The next thing that is going to be changing is the YouTube channel. So I've said this before, this YouTube channel has slowly turned into just a candle channel, and that is not all that we that's not all that we sell. We don't just sell candles. It slowly turned into one because I do the YouTube videos, and I make like the scent stuff and other stuff that I'm working on that hasn't launched on the website as yet. And so that's all I could have done, which was candles. So my plan for this year is to do content that has every single product that we offer on our website. So soap making videos, body care videos like body butters, body scrubs, and any other products that we come up with in terms of like body care, as well as home decor. I keep saying that, but it's something that I'm working on to have it. Like, I've already made the stuff, but it's just like me testing out the stuff that I'm making. It's just for me to go ahead and make a batch and put it on the website. Wax melts, but that's like kind of along with candles and whatever else we choose to put in, like, and whatever else we choose to offer on our website. And I have said this in the past, we named it the HYA Company or whatever, so it's not just set to one. So that we don't just have to offer one thing, like the HYA Candle Company, and it just be like scent stuff and room sprays and blah blah blah. Yeah, so that's the biggest thing that's changing on the YouTube channel, is incorporating branding videos. That's one thing I do want to do, since that's the stage that we're in within the business right now, as well as incorporating a videos on every product that we do have within the business. The third and last thing that will be changing is the social media platforms that we focus on. So I'm not sure, this has to be like a branding video or something I did way back, or I don't know, but I kind of remember saying something along the lines of like, we're doing Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. So the channels that we do want to focus on now is YouTube and Instagram, solely because that's where we're seeing the most growth, the most interaction. Like, people, that's where people will find us. And like, if I go on my website, I would see a click from YouTube or a click from Instagram, and so that's where the people are coming from. So those are the social platforms that we want to push and put most of our energy in. So with Instagram, I love doing reels. I know I feel like I used to love TikTok more, but I feel like the views on TikTok aren't performing like they used to, and so we get more views on reels. So what I would do to still incorporate Facebook and TikTok, but not like put my energy into it, is create a reel and just save the video to my phone and post it on TikTok. For Facebook, Instagram and Facebook is basically the same, and whatever I post that can be posted on Facebook, I'll just like dual post it. So for instance, I made a post yesterday on Instagram and it went along with Facebook guidelines, so they allow me to post it on Facebook, but I'm not like going to Facebook to say I'm posting this, you know? So I'm just putting all of my energy into Instagram and YouTube. Oh, and the last thing is, I want to get back on a filming schedule. First, I was doing like once a week. I think it was on Thursdays and Wednesdays. I want to try to post 2 times a week, maybe like Saturday and a Wednesday. We'll see how it works with my work schedule, because I was MIA like the whole of December because work was crazy. And now that the season has kind of passed and we're in first quarter again and it's slowing down, I should have more time, hopefully peace and quiet, so that I can film videos and put those videos out to y'all. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say within this video. Let me know any changes that y'all will be making to your business in the comment section below, and also what are y'all looking forward to do within your business, to change within your business for this year. It's definitely the time of year to implement change. So I'm even doing changes within like myself personally, as well as with business. But other than that, thank y'all so much for the love and support throughout 2021, and I know it's gonna be way bigger, way better, and much more support, as well as the community that we have going here growing. And I always say this, I love the community that we do have, helping each other out in the comment section, supporting, and everything else. So thank y'all so much for watching these videos, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.